Hi lovelies, it's Erica with Theebeautybuff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this could be the channel for you. Please subscribe below, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Give me a thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed the video. On this channel, we just like to relax and let loose and get away from the everyday grind. So if you would with me, take in a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. I'm going to be showing you two looks using this palette. The first look is going to be vibrant, colorful, something you can wear at night or in the day if you like bold colors. The second look is going to be this one, which is more natural, laid back, neutral lovers. This would be something for you. You can wear it to work, out running errands, or to brunch, something like that. Now let's get into these two looks. So alright lovelies, today's video is going to be on this look that I created using the Artist Couture Caliente palette. This palette is like a summer palette, very vibrant, full of yellows, pinks, magentas, oranges, corals. And I used the palette to create this look. I used pretty much all the colors except Vibrous. Most of the colors were smooth. The yellow in the pen is very bright, but on the eyes it's more subdued. I'm pretty sure if you put like maybe a white base under it, it will pop more. But for me, I just used it as my transition color. In the color Brillo here, it didn't perform as well as I thought it should. It was kind of crepey on my eye when I used it to wet the brush, and then without the brush it was just like a soft pink color. This is the only one that I was kind of disappointed in, was the Brillo color. But all the other colors that I used really had good payoff. They were smooth. And I really enjoyed the look that I created. I think if you use Brillo on its own, just like want a soft wash of color on your lid, then it would probably be pretty good. But for this look, it just didn't pop enough for me. So lovelies, I have my eyes all primed. Now I'm going to go in with the palette that I'll be using for today. And it's the Caliente palette by Artist Couture. And these are the colors. See, very bright, vibrant colors, very summery. And then I just have to figure out what colors I'm going to use for this look. I think I'm going to start out with the yellow, which is Couture. This yellow here. I'm just going to put that in my transition. So I'm going in with the yellow. It's not much color payoff, but yellow is like a very hard color to pull off with. But I wanted to go in with it for the transition color because it's like the lightest color in here. So it is doing what I would like it to do. I just want to put something in my transition to blend the darker colors in with. But as you can see, it is showing somewhat. Just gonna blend you in. I'm just gonna zoom you in to my eyes. So as you can see, this is the yellow. And it's blending very well. It's smooth, even though it's not as bright as it is in the palette. But I do like this color. So that's the yellow. I think it looks good. I will say, if you want like the color that's in this palette, if you want it to pop like that, you want to put some kind of white base on your lids. So that's the yellow, which is Couture. I think it blended in very well. Now I'm going to go in with, I'll go in with Fuego. That's this coral color here. As you can see, this is going to be like a bright sunrise type look. I think that one has really good color payoff. And now I think I'm going to go in with this with this magenta color, which is Mamacita. And I'm going to put Mamacita in my crease. Just kind of pulling my eye a little taut just so I can get in here really well and it won't skip as much. And I'm going to go back and blend around that with Fuego. So I want to make sure I keep the Fuego color. And that's it so far. I'm going to go do the other lid. And then I'm going to go back around with Fuego. So that's how we're looking so far. And now I'm just going to go on the lid with Brillo or Brio. I'm going to try without wetting the brush. And it looks like a soft pink coral color. And that's it without wetting the brush. I'm going to wet my brush with this Morphe setting spray. And go back in with the Brio. It's more pink than what I thought it would be. I'm going to go in with Rumba in the middle. I didn't want it to be so pink, so I'm going to go in here with Rumba. Ooh, Rumba is pretty. And so that's Rumba. Rumba is very pretty. So now I'm just going to go back and blend around. So these are the colors so far. Rumba is the center color, which is like the orange. It's really pretty. So I finished the eyes for now. I'm going to go in and do my face, and then I'll come back and do my under eyes and lashes. Okay, now I'm going to come back and finish my under eyes. And I think I'm going to use Sensual. Has very good color payoff. This one you have to be careful with, or you may just go in with too much in the beginning. Go in lightly, tap your brush off, and then go onto your eyes. And you can just build it up slowly. And that's Sensual under the eyes. And the pan, it looks more like a rust color. Around my eyes, it's kind of looking more like that, mixing in with that magenta color. And then I'm going to do my inner corners. I'm just going to spray my brush with the Morphe setting spray again. And then I'm going to go back in with the Brio color. I'm going to try that first. If I don't like it, then I'll do the gold color, which is the Margarita. Just not feeling the Brio color. So I'm going to go in instead with the Margarita. It's like a goldish color. So that's Margarita in the inner corner. So those are the colors. Now I'm going to put on some eyeliner and lashes. So I'm going to be doing a second look with the Artist Couture Caliente palette. This look is going to be more natural, something you can wear to work or out running errands, something less vibrant, less colorful, more neutral. So I hope you enjoy this second look. As you can see, I've already completed my base and primed my eyes, did my eyebrows. As you know, I normally do my eyes first, but since this is the second look, I wanted to go ahead and get this look done quickly. So now I'm just going to bring you in a little closer so I can walk you through this second eye look. I'm going to go in with the yellow color, I know the yellow color, to put in my transition. Like I said in the first look, the yellow is not as vibrant as it is in the palette. It does come off more of like a muted color, so I'm going to use that in my transition. I know normally you wouldn't put like a yellow in your transition for a natural color, but as you can see, it's not that vibrant, it's not too bold or up in your face. So it's working well as my transition color. I'm just pulling my eye a little taut so it doesn't skip. I do have mature lids, so I have some wrinkles there, so that's why I kind of pull it taut, because the wrinkles cause it to skip. So I think that's good for the transition. Now I'm going to go in my crease and outer corner with the color Sensual. And I'm just going to do it lightly because this is going to be a daytime look, so I don't want it to be too smoky. And this color has very good payoff. In the pan it looks more of like a rust brownish color. On the eyes it came off more like an orange. Like I said, I'm just trying to go in for a soft wash so this doesn't look too smoky, so you can wear it in the daytime. I'm just going back with the brush with the yellow on it that I used in my transition, just to kind of blend this orange out and tone it down, make it look more natural, and just soften it up. And as you can see, that worked really well. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more. And I think that looks good. So now I'm just going to start to work on my lid. I think I'm going to try for the gold color, which is Margarita. And it is this color. Hopefully it's not too bright. I'm not going to wet the brush because I want it to look a little bit more natural. And that is good. So this color also has good payoff without wetting the brush, but it does look more natural. Just going to blend around it to kind of soften it up. And that's the eyes for now. I'm going to go back and finish the face, and then I'll come back and finish the eyes. Now I'm going to finish my under eyes, and I'm just going to go back under there with the sensual color. Just this color. And because this is a daytime look, you don't have to do this. Well, you never really have to do anything, but because this is daytime, if you don't want it to be as smoky, you can leave the bottom without any color. And then I'm going to go around that color with the yellow color, Couture. I'm just going to go around it to blend it out even more. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. So here's the finished look for the eyes. Using the Artist Couture, it's more of a natural look. I don't have on any lashes, just mascara. So overall, I did like the palette. Of course, you're going to get something bright out of this. If you purchase it, it's going to be like a pretty bright look. Unless you use Sensual and the Margarita together, then that could probably be more like a natural look. But otherwise, you're going to get something pretty bright using this palette. Pretty hot, Caliente. So that's pretty much it, all that I needed to say about the palette. I would say if you do enjoy these type of colors, then it is worth picking up. But if you're more of a neutral color lover, then you know this won't be the palette for you. I enjoy color and neutral, so of course I don't mind having it in my arsenal. And I hope to use it again before the summer is over. So let me know down in the comments, which look did you like the best? Are you more of the neutral lover, or did you like the colorful, vibrant look? Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. And as always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me, and I hope to see you in my next video.